right, kiddos, let's have some fun. Go on ahead and stand up, and we are going to practice skywriting the letters A and G. So I want you to stand up and shake out your arms and stretch and get yourself ready to form the letter A. What you need to do is put your arms out straight as a pencil and point with 2 fingers. Now the letter A is a plain line, round letter. So we are going to point to this plain line. So take those fingers and point to the plain line and follow my directions. Point to the plain line. Go back on the plain line and then down and around to the grass line and up to the plain line. Trace back down to the grass line. That should be one fluid motion with your arm, or your arms, I should say. Let's try that again. Point your fingers at the plain line, go back on the plain line and down and around on the grass line. Trace back up to the plain line and back down to the grass line. A, apple, ah. Nice work. All right, shake out your arms. Let's go on ahead and get back in position. Put your arms out straight as a pencil. Point with 2 fingers. Point to that plain line. Go back on the plain line, then down and around on the grass line, and up to the plain line. Trace back down to the grass line. Say, A, apple, ah. Good work. Okay, go on ahead and shake out your arms. Stretch if you need to, and get ready to form the letter G. G is a plain line round letter. It starts on the plain line just like the letter C. Put your arms out straight as a pencil, and point with 2 fingers. Point to the plain line, trace back on the plain line, go down and around all the way back up to the plain line. Trace back down all the way to the worm line and make a curve. Say G, game, G. Good job. Let's do that again. Take those 2 fingers, point to the plain line. Trace back on the plain line, down and all the way down to the grass line and back up to the plain line. Trace back down all the way to the worm line. This is our first worm line letter. And make a curve. Say G, game, G. You can go on ahead and continue to practice forming the letter A and the letter G with your fingers.